today we are going to learn about the components of time series. Now this is most important for your theory question from this chapter. Basically there are 4 components of time series. First is long term component. Any variation? The variation is seen in the variable of time series over a very long period of time, then the effect of long term component, or it is known as trend. This phenomena is due to trend. For example, decreasing value of rupee in international trade, that we can see, that is from the long term. Increasing usage of mobile phone, again that is from long term. Rising population of country, so these all are the example of long term component. And the interval for the long term component is basically 10 to 15 years. Next is seasonal component. Now any variation which occurs due to any season, that is known as seasonal component. In that we have 2 categories. One is due to the effect of natural factor, that is due to the effect of any season. For example, increasing AC or fan demand during summer, increasing demand of umbrella and raincoat during monsoon. These are the example of seasonal factor, effect due to natural factor. Next is effect of man-made factor. Now there are many variation which occurs regularly less than 1 year by any festival, by habits of human, customs, or any religious one. Examples are demand of kite during Uttarayan, the number of customers increase at restaurant or theatres during weekends. So this all are the example of seasonal component affected by man-made factors. In next video we will be learning about the other 2 components of trend. Thank you.